Hello everyone, welcome to SAM IELTS YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope that you're all super fine and seriously preparing for the IELTS exam. Well, today's topic is all about the difference between the directed writing and the narrative writing. Are you surprised? What is directed writing and what is narrative writing? Well, it is quite simple. It is writing task 1 and writing task 2. So, how to write writing task 1 as well as how to write writing task 2. So, I am going to give you the differences, the key elements that you need to follow in the IELTS writing in order to get band 8+. Alright, without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you need to understand the writing task 1 is all about the directed writing. In the directed writing, you get the bullet points. So, you need to understand that you are going to answer just to the bullet points. No extra stories or no extra information is needed. So, you are going to read the bullet points, understand and tell the answer for the bullet point in a paragraph. That's all. It's over. Well, you need to understand the paragraph may be smaller because it is a writing task 1 and you need to write only for 150 words. So don't worry about the size of the passage. You need to just follow, you need to going to answer the bullet point in just one paragraph. Clear? So this is a basic element rule that you need to follow in the writing task 1. So when you want to build up a story, you build up a story according to the bullet points. You don't need to build up your own stories which is not asked in the bullet points. So be clear, be precise, be up to the point, so you are going to just answer the question. For example, the examiner is asking you which is your favorite color and you are going to say my favorite color is blue. Because you may tell any stories which is related to that, but never tell that, well, rainbow is made up of 7 colors and out of the 7 colors. No, not needed. Please don't write too many stories which is not relevant to the particular question because there is a word limit. So if you actually exceed the word limit too much or if you're not meeting the word limit, then for sure you will be falling down in the IELTS writing. Clear? So never ever do that. Clear? So, the directed writing, just answer the questions to the point and then you need to expand. Be precise, be clear about your answer. So, just make a plan before you are going to write. You have the question paper in hand or in the system. So, what you are going to do is that you are going to do the brainstorming part as well as you are going to list out your points. When you have the points in hand, it is very easy to build up your answer. If you're not having the points or if you're not having the plan, then it might be a challenging task to you. So don't waste too much of time in starting writing. You need to spend your time for brainstorming. This is a mandatory thing and if you really do this, you can achieve the task within 20 minutes of time and even 15 minutes of time. So make your thing very clear, plan your writing. The second thing, just be precise and write only the answers which is asked in the bullet point. Never try to build up the stories. Never try to build up the stories which is not relevant. If you write not relevant points, then for sure your marks will be decreased. Clear? So use these points to write the writing task 1 clearly in order to get band 7+. In SAM IELTS, we are actually helping so many people through the structured teaching method so that they can actually get the band 8+ in the first attempt itself. So if you are one, just visit www.samielts.in or our team WhatsApp number 90431408844. Alright, without further delay, let's move on to the writing task 2. Well, in the writing task 2, it is all about the descriptive writing or the narrative writing, where you can write all your stories. However, it should be relevant. See, you need to understand when the question is open, it is an open-ended question. So, you can just brainstorm according to your point of view. But the thing is that it should be at least more or less relevant to the question. Clear? So, for example, the earlier I mentioned, what is your favorite color? And in that question, I said, I'm fond of blue because I'm going to tell the reason. Here, you can talk about the rainbow because rainbow is a spectrum of colors where you can choose any color because you need to build up the story. You need to write the answer for 250 words. So, the question and the answer should be relevant. However, it may be expanded. Clear? So the second thing is that you need to understand in the narrative writing or in the writing task 2, your word limit is 250 words. You need to write up to 250 words. Writing the introduction as well as the conclusion is not a matter because it is a structured writing, so you are going to write the paraphrased version. However, building the body paragraph 1 and the body paragraph 2 is very clear. You need to know your points very clearly so that you can expand the points. In the body paragraph 1, you can actually use one point and then you can explain why, what, how, consequences, example, whatever it is. Take one point and expand it clearly. Or if you have so many points in the mind, just take 2 points. No paragraph should exceed the 2 points. So make it very clear, you need to write only 1 point in one body paragraph, or you may write 2 points in one body paragraph. Make this idea very clear. This idea is the narrative idea where you can tell all the stories to the examiner which is relevant to that particular point. For example, the question is all about the biodiversity and you need to speak about the climate change, environment, whatever it is, the extinction of wild animals. However, you may not talk about the domestic animals. See, domestic animals is also important in the biodiversity, however, which is not something relevant. Clear? So make your points very clear, do the brainstorming clearly, write the introduction and the conclusion which is the paraphrased version very clearly, and in the body paragraph 1 and in the body paragraph 2, write your points clearly, expanded form. So you can write the thing and you can just expand. This is the way that you need to write the writing task 2. And if you follow this writing task 1 and writing task 2 methods, then for sure you will get the IELTS band 7 plus in the IELTS writing. Clear? In SAM IELTS, we are actually helping people to clear the IELTS exam in the first attempt itself. So what's more, if you're really looking to go abroad, either for work or for studies, approach www.samielts.in or our team WhatsApp number 90431408444 for any queries. If you really like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the IELTS aspirants so that they can get the important tips how to write, what to write, when to write. Clear? Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. Thank you.